Hello YouTube, this is a video explaining or solving the Makita dust bag issue. This is the Makita cordless track saw. I've wanted a track saw for quite a while, just being how versatile they are. And so I started using it, and what I quickly found was there is no dust bag that comes with these saws. And then I looked into it a bit more, and Makita makes one of these style. This is from my chop saw. I'm sure you guys have all seen those. And they're not great. A lot of people don't like this mechanism here to empty it out. And I think the biggest downfall is they don't stay open, which restricts you collecting all the dust you can, which is the name of the game. I don't have a shop. I don't work in a shop. I'm mostly out in the field, you know, installing kitchens, finished plywood, that sort of thing. So I didn't really want a dust extractor. I wanted it fully cordless, and I've also had great success with dust bags. So what I did was, first I went online. A lot of people have had great success with the Makita bag. People from the UK and the United States, but I'm in Canada, and you can't get Makita products here, which is the big problem. So it was going to cost me about $200, $150 or $200 to get a dust bag, which wasn't too appealing. It's just a dust bag, but it is important. So what I did was I got this Festool bag for about $63, which it's a bit, but I mean, it's worth it. I've used this model before on a track saw, and it works great. You just empty it out. I think this one's a little bit smaller than the Makita, which we'll see how that goes in the field, but I kind of like. The Makita one almost looked too big, but they're probably both pretty good. And so to adapt it to the Makita saw, which I couldn't find online, and I like to research everything, and I just wanted to know it was possible easily. So I'm going to make this video so you guys don't have to. So it doesn't fit. You need some sort of adapter. I thought about modifying the Festool inlet. It looks possible, but if I damage this, I'm sure I'd be out $60, and it looks simple enough. So what I did was went to Home Depot and found these two fittings. Either one of these would work. I ended up going with the 1 1/4" with the threaded end on it versus the two male 1 1/4" couplings. They're calling these poly-insulated couplings. So this 1 1/4" end, the tapered end, actually fits in there super well. No modification needed. It's pretty much perfect. So that's done. And then this end, you just put it in as far as you can and tuck tape it, and that's it. So what I did was I actually ended up using this fitting because, like I said, it just fits in the Festool one a little bit better. And I cut it down just to get it a bit more slim. So I took about 3/4 inch off, just using a vise, and a handsaw actually is what I had handy. So I'll do a before and after of the dust spray. All right. These saws are very effective of directing the sawdust, that's for sure. If only you could capture it. Okay, so now let's install mine. Just put it in. I'm sure you guys know how to use tape. It'd be nice to get some. Maybe I'll use, I actually have some chrome, although that's pretty flashy too. It'd be nice just not to accentuate the red tape, but what are you gonna do? We just gotta collect that dust in a timely fashion. So that's a very good seal on there. I don't see any leakages occurring. The nice thing about this is you can still rotate the bag, so just shove it in roughly where you want it. Okay, Looks good. This bag is completely empty, I promise. Might end up just removing that. We'll see if that bothers me. And all right, here we go with the bag. One pass. Let's check it out. Not sure if you can see, but it's lots of dust. Awesome. So there you have it. Festool meets Makita once again. I think I've heard the Festool tracks and the Makita tracks are the same. I have not tested that, but I heard they are the same. So there you go. Happy cutting.